I'm so excited you decided to learn C++, but before we can get started writing C++, we need to get our computer set up and our workspace set up. So you can't just type in C++ in a notepad. You could, but it's not going to run. What you need is you need to get set up with an integrated development environment. Now, an IDE is not used just for C++, and ours that we're going to use today is not just for C++. We're going to pick the biggest and best. Is it the best because it is the easiest to use, because it handles every possible type? No, but it is the most widely used integrated development environment, which just means it's a software that we use to write programs. We're going to use Visual Studio. And I know some people prefer different things, but Visual Studio handles C++ really well. And Visual Studio has now, you can get a free version, download it. I remember when I had to pay hundreds of dollars, but we can go ahead and download Visual Studio for free. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to visualstudio.com and download the integrated development environment. Fun fact, we can do more than just C++. We can also do Android, iOS, Windows, web, and cloud. For this course, we're just going to focus on C++, but you can see that learning Visual Studio throughout this course is actually going to help you in more than just C++. So we're going to start in one place with one language, and then as you progress as a programmer, what you're going to do is be able to learn new techniques and new platforms, all while using the same integrated development environment. So go ahead and do the free download, and you know how to install it. It's going to download and just follow installation instructions. Make sure when you give it the option, it's going to ask which set you want. Don't pick like mobile applications. Make sure you pick C++. You can put more than that if you want. I actually have, I think, everything installed on this machine. But make sure you include C++. And then we'll get started once you finish installing.